Hey model builders, this is Eric from Updraft Model Works, and today I'm excited to make an announcement on the first model kit that I plan to release, and that'll be in 2025, and the subject will be the Have Blue aircraft. So this is one of the subjects that there's not much out there on, and I've been wanting forever to have a model of this. This will be a 1/48 scale. This is going to be a 3D printed kit for now, still in work. I'm still working on a few details, particularly in the cockpit and landing gear area, but wanted to show this to everybody so that you guys can see what's coming up. Let me know if you have any inputs or interests in this. I'm hoping to come up with some ideas on how to configure a few of the systems, the flaps, the rudders, and everything on the aircraft, the cockpit. There's a lot of information that's missing out there on this aircraft because it was only two of them built and they both crashed, so there's not much documentation remaining, just a few kind of internet stories with a lot of conflicting evidence. So had to spend a lot of time doing some research, make some educated guesses on what was actually implemented on the real aircraft, and so hopefully you'll see some of the results of that research in this subject. As well as the fact that with modern 3D printing, you can get a much more accurate print than you probably could have with some of the earlier resin kits out there. Haven't decided yet on what I'm going to do with the canopy, probably resin casting for that to get clear parts, but otherwise it'll probably be a 3D printed kit with a lot more detail than anything else out there. But that's it for now. We'll keep some updates coming as the design progresses and let you know kind of what's going on and where I'm getting the information from, and what the timeline looks like at some point as to when I'll actually have a release date. But for now, just wanted to make that announcement. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you next time.